This is a Brother sewing machine. It's got a large base for quilting. This is what it looks like. It's a CS6000. Hi, this is Kat from North Carolina, and I've been sewing for 40 years and made everything from bridesmaids dresses to bathing suits, and you name it, and I've done it. And right here I have it's called a Brother. I ordered it off of Amazon, CS6000i, and it's see, it's got this extra table. It's actually a quilting machine, but I don't care to quilt. That's the only thing I don't do. I have done it before, but I just wanted a good, stable, cheap machine for straight stitching because I have a monogram machine. So I just cut this and I'm opening. Okay, what we have here is a foot pedal, cord, and this is a bag of accessories. It looks like this is a little thing with a brush to clean out your fuzz that gets around the needle. This is a walking foot, and this is a ripper right here, and an extra post for thread, and a quilting foot or monogramming foot. You could even use that for. Okay, let's see. Here's the books that come with it. Okay, I think I'm going to have to call my better half, the stronger half, to lift this heavy machine out. Although it doesn't, yeah, it feels like I could lift it with two hands, but it doesn't have a handle on it, so I'm going to let him do that. One more box in the big box. Oh, it's the platform. And this is the extender table. There's an opening. So this hooks onto the bottom of the machine. Let me turn this around. Oh, it's a case. It comes with a case. I didn't realize that. This is my first video, by the way, my first YouTube video. And this is a case. Okay, so the thing is, though, looks like it's just a case well, there's a piece of styrofoam in the bottom of this. If you can see that. I don't know if it stays in there. And then this is the back of the machine. So this is the front. And I will put a link to this machine down at the bottom so you can buy it on Amazon. It was $150, which I couldn't believe. That was so inexpensive. Okay, so this came out. Okay, I'm opening the cord. And this is the back side of the machine, but it's on the right side of the machine. It plugs in right here. See, there's a round and a square part, and a round and a square on here. So you plug that in, push it in as far as you can get it. Okay, this is the foot, and it's not connected to the plug, which is usually it's a one unit thing. I mean, you plug this in and then the foot comes down, but this shows the foot is being separate. Oh, here it is on the back. There's a little hole, and this goes into it, and then the foot pedal comes down on the floor. And the turn on, this is a very light machine, very light. The turn on is right down here by where the power cord is. Okay, it's got several different languages here. 6 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 languages. Anyway, the English says the blue tape adhered to the area shown is protective. Take it off. So I'm peeling it off everywhere there's blue tape. So in here, oh, it's got a, you push here. Oh, you push there, okay. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Lots of goodies. Okay. This came off, and then this bag was in here. And this is what was in the bag. Some needles, some different needles. This is a twin needle, some single needles. And I don't know what that is. I think it could be a threader. This is the buttonhole foot, and these are just some different feet and some extra spools. So what I want to do is, let's see, I think I'm done with that because that just talked about taking off the blue tape. And here we are. Usually it's always in order of, you know, whatever you open out of a package, the top of it is going to be, you read that first. So this is second, so I'm reading this second. And it's showing me how to thread the machine. It says Quickstart guide. And what you do is you take it out of the bag and then you read the first thing. And that talked about the blue tape, and I removed the blue tape. It was just 3 pieces of tape. So I'm going to set that aside. Then the next thing is the Quickstart guide. And right here it has me going into, it came with 2 bags of things. These were in the white bag and this was in the clear bag. And I'm doing number 1, which it shows is pull this thread thing up here. Okay, this is the unboxing then of the sewing machine. That was around $150, and that was on Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and do my next video is going to be on threading it, how to thread the bobbin, how to set the thread and use the machine. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.